Go and come. New words too. Today, let us learn the meanings of the difficult words in the story Go and Come. Can you read this word, Ruchi?
Cottage.
Do you know what it means?
Yes, teacher. A cottage is a small house.
Good, Ruchi. Will you read this word, Ria?
Pretty.
What does pretty mean?
It means nice to look at.
That's right. Nikhil, can you read this word? Little. And it means small. Read this word, Samir.
Different. It means not the same. Vivid.
Good, Samir. Can you read this word, Priya?
Manure.
What is manure?
Teacher, manure is cow dung or गायचे शेण, used to make the soil better for plants to grow in.
In Marathi, to add manure is खत घालणे.
Perfect, Priya. Sachin, please read the next word.
To prune is to cut parts of trees and plants so they grow better. In Marathi, we say छाटणे.
Good, Sachin. Jenny, read the next word.
To weed.
Do you know what to weed means?
Teacher, in a garden, some unwanted plants grow. These plants do not let the good plants grow. These unwanted plants are called weeds or tan. They have to be taken away. And to weed is to take away these weeds.
Can you read the next word, Ahmed?
Strict. A person who wants rules to be followed is a strict person. In Marathi, we say कठोर शिस्तीचा.
Read the next one, Ria.
Hard work. It means कष्टाचे काम और मेहनत.
Here is a big word. Can you read it, Samir?
Discipline.
Samir, it is pronounced discipline.
Discipline. But I know what it means. Discipline is a set of rules to follow, like come to school on time, do your homework every day, and so on. Shist.
Jenny, please read this word.
Naughty.
No, Jenny. You read this as naughty.
Oh, this is naughty. I know what it means. Naughty means badly behaved. खोड़कर.
Correct. Next word, Ruchi.
Unfair. Unfair means not correct. Actually, अनुचित और अन्याय.
Sachin, please read the next word.
Chin. Chin is the part of your face below your mouth. Hanuvati.
That's right. Please read this word, Priya.
Wobble. Teacher, it means shaking, not fixed. Vede vakade.
In the story, it says his chin began to wobble, meaning that his chin began shaking as if he was about to cry. तोंड नाराजीने वेडे वाकडे होऊ लागले.
Look at the next one. It is a phrase. Will you read it, Nikhil? A lump in his throat. But I do not know what it means. It means a feeling that something is stuck in the throat, like when you want to cry. Take the next one, Ahmed.
Welled up. Welled up means filled up. In the story, the boy's eyes welled up means that his eyes filled up with tears.
Take the next one, Nikhil. What's the matter? The boy's mother is asking this question. In this place, it means what has happened? Why are you feeling sad? Let's look at the next one, Ria.
Unhappy. Unhappy means sad.
Correct. And here's the last word, Ruchi.
Chatting. It means talking with each other. Gappa marne.
Now, write these words down and learn them at home. Tomorrow, we will read the story Go and Come.